Hello everyone. Now we are going to look into Standard 8, Chapter 2, Measurements. Exercise 2.2, Sum 8. A rocket drawing has the measure as given in the figure. Find its area. This is the given rocket drawing, and these are the measures of this drawing. You can see the total length of the rocket is 120 centimeters. And you can see three shapes are there in this rocket. You can see this is a trapezium shape, and this is rectangle, and this is a triangle. So it is made up of three shapes: trapezium, rectangle and triangle. We have to find the area of this rocket drawing. So to find the area of this rocket drawing, we have to find the area of the trapezium, area of the rectangle and area of this triangle. Now here the total length of the rocket is given 120 centimeters. And here the trapezium, these are the two parallel sides. These are the two parallel sides of this trapezium. You can see here 50 centimeter and 30 centimeter. These are the parallel sides of this trapezium. And this is the height of this trapezium, which is 20 centimeters. Now the breadth of this rectangle is also 30 centimeters. And here the height of the triangle is given 20 centimeters. You can see the opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. So the base of the triangle will be 30 centimeter. The base of the triangle will be 30 centimeter and the height of the triangle is 20 centimeters. Now we have to find the length of this rectangle. You can see here the height of the trapezium is 20 centimeter and the height of the triangle is 20 centimeters. So the length of the rectangle will be 120 minus this 20 centimeters as well as the height of the triangle, that is 20 centimeters. So you have to subtract these two heights from 120 centimeters to get the length of this rectangle. So the length of the rectangle is equal to 120 minus 20 minus 20, that is 80 centimeter. Now the breadth of the rectangle is given 30 centimeters. This is the breadth of the rectangle, that is 30 centimeters. Base of the triangle is also 30 centimeters. You can see the opposite sides are equal. So the base of the triangle is 30 centimeter. Height of the triangle is given 20 centimeter. Here you can see the height of the triangle is 20 centimeter. Parallel sides of the trapezium are, here you can see these two are the parallel sides of this trapezium. This is 50 centimeters and this is 30 centimeters. So the parallel sides of the trapezium are, this you can take it as A and this is B. So it is equal to 50 centimeters and B is equal to 30 centimeters. Height of the trapezium is 20 centimeter. This is the height of the trapezium, which is equal to 20 centimeters. Now we have to find the area of this combined shape. So to find the area of this combined shape, we have to find the area of the trapezium and area of the rectangle and the area of the triangle. Then we have to add all the three areas. We have to add the area of the trapezium and the area of the rectangle and also the area of the triangle. Area of the trapezium formula is half into h into a plus b. Here a plus b is the parallel sides of the trapezium, that is 50 centimeters and 30 centimeters, and h is height of this trapezium, that is 20 centimeters, plus L into B. We know the formula to find the area of the rectangle, that is length into breadth, plus area of the triangle is half into base into height square units, which is equal to half into 20 into 50 plus 30 plus 80 into 30 plus half into 30 into 20 centimeters square. Now let us simplify. 2 ones are 2 tens are. Here 2 ones are 2 tens are, which is equal to 10 into 80 is equal to, you can see here 50 plus 30 is 80. So 10 into 80 is equal to 800 plus 80 into 30 will give you 2400 plus 30 into 10 is equal to 300. Here you have to multiply these two. 30 into 10 is equal to 300, which is equal to 3500 centimeter square. This is the area of this drawing. Thank you.